Italy, the cradle of European civilization, beckons travelers with the promise of ancient wonders, romantic canals, and a vibrant cultural tapestry. Imagine standing in the shadow of the Colosseum, where gladiators once fought, or drifting through the serene waters of Venice, enveloped in the soft glow of sunset. Each city pulses with its own unique rhythm, inviting you to explore its treasures and immerse yourself in its history. This narrative journey through Rome, Venice, and Milan will guide you through an enchanting 9-day itinerary, showcasing the must-see sights, culinary delights, and travel tips to make your Italian adventure unforgettable. Begin your journey in Rome, the Eternal City, where every corner reveals a story from a bygone era. Spend 3 days here, wandering through the cobblestone streets lined with Baroque churches and ancient ruins. Start your exploration at the Colosseum, an architectural marvel that once hosted grand spectacles. As you step inside, imagine the roar of the crowd and the thrill of the games that captivated ancient Romans. Nearby, the Roman Forum stands as a testament to the city's political and social life, where emperors once walked. No visit to Rome is complete without stopping by the Pantheon, a temple dedicated to the gods of ancient Rome. Its magnificent dome, an engineering feat of its time, inspires awe as sunlight streams through the oculus. From there, make your way to the Trevi Fountain, where tourists toss coins over their shoulders, hoping to ensure their return to this magical city. As you stand before the cascading water, take a moment to reflect on your own wishes and dreams. A visit to the Vatican is essential, where the grandeur of St. Peter's Basilica and the Vatican museums will leave you breathless. Marvel at Michelangelo's Sistine Chapel, where the creation of Adam captures the divine connection between humanity and the heavens. After a day of exploration, savor Rome's culinary delights at local trattorias. Indulge in authentic pasta carbonara, rich with guanciale and pecorino cheese, and treat yourself to a scoop of creamy gelato as you stroll through the evening streets. As you prepare to leave Rome, hop on a high-speed Trenitalia or Italo train for a scenic ride to Venice. The journey takes about 3.5 hours, offering glimpses of the picturesque Italian countryside. Upon arrival, the enchanting canals of Venice greet you, a city where the absence of cars enhances its romantic charm. Spend 2 days here, starting with a gondola ride through the serene waterways. The gentle sway of the boat, coupled with the soft lapping of water against the hull, creates an atmosphere of tranquility. St. Mark's Square, the heart of Venice, is a must-visit. Here, you can admire the intricate mosaics of St. Mark's Basilica and ascend the Campanile for breathtaking views of the city. Don't forget to capture the stunning Rialto Bridge, a perfect backdrop for photographs. For a taste of local life, venture to Burano, a nearby island known for its vibrant, colorful houses. Stroll through its charming streets, where every corner presents a new photo opportunity. Navigating Venice can be tricky, but getting lost in its labyrinthine streets is part of the adventure. The best times to visit are early morning or late afternoon, when the crowds thin out and the light casts a magical glow over the canals. As you savor Venetian cuisine, try cicchetti, the local version of tapas, paired with a glass of Prosecco. After 2 days in Venice, it's time to head to Milan, the fashion and arts capital of Italy. The train ride from Venice to Milan takes about 2.5 hours, making it a convenient next stop. Spend your final 2 to 3 days in this dynamic city, beginning with a visit to the stunning Duomo. This Gothic masterpiece, with its intricate spires and statues, is a sight to behold. Climb to the rooftop for panoramic views of the city and beyond. Milan is also home to the luxurious Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, where high-end shops and historic cafes invite you to indulge in a bit of retail therapy. Take a moment to sip an espresso at a cafe, watching the world go by in this bustling hub. For a touch of history, explore Sforza Castle, a grand fortress that houses museums and art collections. Adjacent to the castle, Sempione Park offers a peaceful retreat, perfect for a leisurely stroll or a picnic. If time allows, consider an excursion to Lake Como, just an hour away from Milan. The stunning lake, surrounded by mountains and charming villages, provides a serene escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Spend a day exploring towns like Bellagio or Verona, where the beauty of nature melds with Italian elegance. As you reflect on your journey through these three iconic cities, you'll find that each has left its mark on your heart. Rome enchants with its rich history and culinary delights. Venice captivates with its poetic beauty and romantic ambiance, and Milan dazzles with its modern vibrancy and artistic flair. To make the most of your trip, budget wisely for flights, accommodation, and daily expenses. Consider booking your trains in advance to secure the best prices, and look for local guest houses or boutique hotels for a more authentic experience. In summary, a 9-day itinerary that includes 3 days in Rome, 2 days in Venice, and 2 to 3 days in Milan allows you to experience the best of Italy. Each city invites you to explore, indulge, and create lasting memories. So, as you plan your adventure, consider what unique experiences await you in these enchanting locales. Share your thoughts and favorite city in the comments, and don't forget to like and share this narrative for more travel inspiration. Italy awaits, ready to weave its magic into your journey.